Good morning students, I welcome you all for the online class of economics. Today we will be going to learn combined mean one of the question once again. One more variety I will be explaining so that it will be easier for your solution at your home. We are given the following information: factory A, factory B, number of workers 100, 150, average daily wages in rupees 2.50, 2. Calculate which factory pays more wages. What is the combined mean? Okay, let us have the calculation. As you can see, factory A and factory B, two companies are there. Number of workers, you can see the average daily wages rupees, you can see there. Okay, what is number of workers? Sum of F. Average daily wage, that is the mean. Okay, we have to take combined mean. How to calculate? Very simple. The formula of combined mean I will be writing. I won't proceed to your next page. Mean equals to n1 into mean 1 plus n2, here it is n2 into mean 2 divided by n1 plus n2. Here it is the mean. So how to calculate? Mean 1 2 you have to write. No, here mean will not be there. Which factory pays more wages? That can be come to know. That is factory A. What is the combined mean? Let us, this is a combined mean. Mean 1 2 equals to n1 into mean 1 plus n2 into mean 2. n1 plus n2. What is the n1 and n1? That is 100 into mean 1, how much is there? 2.50. So let us have the downside now. After the knowing the formula, total wages of A, number of workers n1 100 given, average wage 2.50, mean 1, all the things are given. Total daily wages given by first factory A. For which factory pays more wages, what we have did, like for example there it is not clear, so I am writing here and explaining you. Total wages by A firm. Factory A, how much giving? 100 into sum of F, if we have to take sum of fx, if we will be taking, we will come to know how much total wages is paid by both the factories. So 100 into 2.50, how much they are paying? 250. Okay. Factory B, how much they are paying? 150 into 2. 150 into 2, 200, 250, 10, 1 carry, 2 1 2 1 3, 300. So which factory is giving more wage? That is factory number B. Now the next question what we get, that is how to calculate the combined mean. For that same formula which I said, mean 1 2 equals to, here you can see the formula, same formula I have written. Mean 1, n1 into mean 1 plus n2 into mean 2 divided by m1 plus n2. What is the n1 given? 100. What is the mean 1? 2.50. What is n2? That is 150. What is the average mean 2? That is 2. So after substituting these values and dividing by the total number of workers, what we will get? That is 2.2. So this is the way, student, how combined mean. Combined mean is very easy. It is needed when more than 1, 2 and 3 classes, like class 11, whole class 11 percentage if we want to know. Then we can have the combined mean. Means combining A section, B section, C section and D section percentage. We can come to know how much was the percentage, how much was the passing percentage of class 11 from our school. That can be known. So this way combined mean is helpful when we want to know more than 2 and 3 data. Mathematical properties of arithmetic mean. Following are a few important mathematical properties of the arithmetic mean. Very first, the sum of the deviations of the item from the arithmetic mean, taking sign into account, is always 0. That is, sum equals to x minus mean equals to 0. For example, some of the cases it happens, as we assumed, here where we will get 0 I will tell. If we had assumed 30 has assumed mean. Okay, formula, what is the formula for assume mean? X minus mean, assume mean, here it is mean written, it is actually assume mean. We have did 10 minus 20, 10 minus 30 minus 20. 20 minus 30 minus 10. 30 minus 30, what is coming? 0. And 40 minus 30, 10. 50 minus 20, 30, 20. If we will total up, what we are getting? 20, 20, 10 cancel, 0. What answer we will get? 0. Like this type of calculation, sum of the deviations of the item from the arithmetic mean is always 0. Deviations total if we will do, it will be always coming 0. It will be not coming any balance. I am not saying f dx, I am saying dx. Deviation total we never take, and whenever if we will take, it will come as 0. It is because of the property that the mean is characterized as a point of balance, that is the sum of the positive deviation from it is equal to the sum of the negative deviation from it. The sum of the squared deviation of the item from arithmetic mean is minimum, that is less than the sum of the squared deviations of the item from any other value. See following example. X minus a is given, x minus a you have to calculate. X is given what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X minus mean. What is again assume? You can assume 4. What we can assume? We can assume as 4. If you are not knowing, it is 4. 2 minus 4 minus 2. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 4 minus 4 0. 5 minus 1 5 minus 4 1. 6 minus 4 2. X minus mean deviation square if you will take. Minus 2 minus 2 4. Minus 1 square 1. 0 square 0. 1 square 1. 2 square 4. When we sum off of this, we got 10. Here we will definitely deviations always get 0. N equals to 5. Why? How much n came? That is a 5. How it came? Has the formula of mean is mean equals to sum of x upon n. So, how much the answer came here? That is 20 divided by 5. What is the mean answer came? 20 divided by 5 when we have did. We got it has 4. The above example shows that the sum of the square deviation is equal to 10. If the deviation are taken away from any other value, the sum of the square deviation would be another times 0, greater than 10. For example, let us calculate the squares of the deviation of item from a value less than arithmetic mean, say 3. What you will see in there? That if we are taking 3, the negative value is less but positive values are more. Deviations, dx, x minus 3 where we are doing now. Here deviation what we are resulting, if we are taking smaller number, more smaller number 3, then only negative value 1 is there, other than the other positive value, because other numbers are bigger than 3. When we take the deviations, we will get the number more. It is clear from that when x minus 3 whole square is greater than x minus mean whole square. Since mean equals to sum of x upon n into mean equals to sum of x. In other words, it will replace each item by the series of mean. The sum of these substitutions will be equal to the sum of the individual items. This we have done in the missing frequency questions. In other words, we replace each item in the series by mean. The sum of this substitution will be equal to the sum of the individual items. X equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Sum of x equals to 150. Mean if we want to take, mean equals to sum of x upon n. How much n is there? 5. So 150 upon 5, 30. N into mean if we will take, we will get the sum of x. Again we get 150. This property has great utility in calculation of wage bills and correcting the value of mean. If we have the arithmetic mean and number of items of 2 or more than 2 related groups or series, we can compute combined arithmetic mean of these groups by applying the following formula. Mean 1 2 equals to mean n1 into mean 1 plus n2 into mean 2 and whole divided by n1 plus n2 in case of 2 groups, and in case of n groups, mean 1 2 equals to number of groups. If it is same formula will be continue with n3 mean 3 plus n4 mean 4, likewise it will continue, and the down also n1 will be added up in that much number of times. Okay. Next mathematical property is if we add, subtract, multiply and divide all the items by any constant value, that arithmetic mean of a series after addition, subtraction, multiplication and division by constant value will be equal to the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division by the same constant to their means. X is given, x plus 5, x minus 5 is given, x into 5, x divided by 5. Anything if we are see one constant number we have taken, x is given 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What is the effect with x if 5 is added? What is the effect on x when 5 is subtracted? What is the effect of x when 5 is multiplied with x? What is the effect of x on x when 5 is divided by x value? We can see this total. It has been did. The sum of x we have got in every questions. What we are seeing down, the mean is different for different things. Okay, mean is very different. As in the first case, it is 30. And when it is added up with 5, all the values, then 35. When it is subtracted, it is getting 25 less than the actual mean 30. When it is subtracted with 5, we are getting 35. We are getting 30 into 3, 5 times multiply 150. When we are getting the mean divided by 5, same values of x divided by 5, the mean in that situation is also coming as divided by 5. That is 30 divided by 5 equals to 6. So these are the mathematical properties of mean. Now comes merits and demerits of arithmetic mean. When we talk about merits of mean, for calculating mean, there is no need to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. It is easy to calculate and understand. It is based on all the values of series. It is suitable for further algebraic treatment. It is a certain value. Next, demerits. Demerits of mean, when we will see, it cannot be located graphically. It sometimes gives results which are absurd means, giving misleading interpretation. Sometimes the calculated value it means is not available within the given series. Its calculation is not possible if a single value is missing. It cannot be used in case of qualitative phenomena. Quantitative terms it can be measured, but qualitative phenomena it cannot be measured. Sometimes arithmetic mean gives absurd and ridiculous result which is not easy understandable by the observer. For example, the mean of 10 students in a class and 50 students in another class would be equal to 10 plus 15 divided by 2 equals to 12. This is absolutely wrong. 12 students which may not be possible because the student cannot be in the fraction point. It will be 12.5. Okay. This cannot be taken as mean. Result obtained on the basis of averages might lead to fallacious conclusion, means confusing conclusions. Someone will be thinking something and someone will be observing something. Like for example, 2005, 6, 7, you can see profit of business A, profit of business B. Profit of business A is increasing 5,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 15,000 year after year. But as the profit of business B is getting down. But when we take the average of profit business A and profit of business B, what we will be seeing? It will be coming same. The average will be coming same. So that it is a result obtained on the basis of average sometimes show a fallacious conclusion because actual value sum of x is hidden that time. We are seeing only the mean. Weighted arithmetic mean, the last topic of this chapter. Arithmetic average mean gives equal weightage to all the items of the series, but there can be some cases where all the items of a series are not of equal importance. So that time we give more importance, more weightage to the series which is having more important and less weightage to that series which is unimportant. Weighted arithmetic mean is used for that type of data. Is used as an average in such cases. Weights are assigned to different items according to their relative importance. In certain cases, a weighted arithmetic mean is the only sustainable method of finding central tendency. So let us have the calculation, students, with this particular data. Like the price of the books are like this: statistics rupees 20 per copy, physics rupees 30 per copy, economics rupees 15 per copy, commerce rupees 25 per copy, chemistry rupees 25 per copy. If the book of each type are sold 5, then the average of books sold will be mean equals to 20 plus 30 plus 15 plus 25 plus 25 divided by 3 equals to 115 divided by 3, that is the 23. But in the above example, the importance of each book is equal because equal book is sold one by one. In the calculation of mean, the value of each book is included only at a time. In statistics 40, physics 25, economics 12, commerce 13 and chemistry 10 are needed. Likewise, the book is demanded. It means statistic book is more demanded. then here the importance of all kinds of 5 books will be not be equal, because more demand is the commerce stream, less demand of the subject science. The importance of books would be as per units of the book sold, which is clear from the following data. Importance of statistics is 40, importance of physics is 25, importance of economics is 12, importance of commerce is 13, importance of chemistry book is 10. This way we will weight. First of all, we will give the weightage. In statistical language, units are weight. For weights W and for total of weights, sum of W are used. The formula of it as follows: mean equals to sum of Wx upon sum of W. Here frequency is not given. In place of frequency, we will give the weight to the particular data. Okay, calculation of weighted mean, I will be showing one question and then the chapter will get over. Find out the weighted arithmetic mean from the following data. Books you can see there. Find out the weighted arithmetic mean from the following data. Books: statistics, physics, economics, commerce, chemistry. Statistics book 20, physics 30 demanded, economics 15, commerce 25, and chemistry 25. How the weight will be given? Number of books sold, weight 20, 40, 25, 12, 13 and 10. How we will give the weight? These are the weight. Number of books sold will show the weightage of each subject book. So that is the weight. Books per price per book is given, weight is given. We will multiply price, that is X, upon into number of books sold, that is a weight, that will become Wx. You know the multiplication. The X into W, 20 into 40 we will get 800. In the direct mean we were doing the F into X. Here we are doing X into W, the weight which is given. It is the number of books sold. Okay, so according to that multiplication answer we got one after another. Sum of Wx we will do, sum of W we will do, and then we will divide to get the mean of W. This is known as weighted arithmetic mean. So this was for today's class and this chapter gets over. Have the practice questions at the back. Whatever questions are there, solve it and get the solutions. If any question, any doubt, you just can ask to me. But mean chapter must get completed by you, because every variety of question I had explained to you people, it must get completed. And the next class we will be going to start median chapter, the measures of central tendency, the next part, that is the median. Okay, so next week we will be going with the median and the mode chapter. Today's week we had completed the mean. Thank you for attending class. Have a nice day.